Affiliate marketing can be a great business to get into. The startup costs are low and the earning potential can be extremely high. And my favorite part, the residual income I earn has given me more time freedom than ever before and helps you become more financially secure. But it may not be for everybody. In fact, most people who try affiliate marketing end up failing and quitting over time. If you don't want to become just another statistic, then listen to these 7 things you should consider before becoming an affiliate marketer. But first, my name is Jason Brothers with J Bros Financial Freedom. And if you're interested in earning both time and financial freedom through residual income, you're in the right place because that's all we talk about here. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And now let's dive into today's video. Number one, you are in charge. This is your business and you're in charge of it. And a lot of people love being their own boss, but something you need to consider is you won't have somebody there pushing you forward. This is your business and you need to be very self disciplined to stay consistent and keep working on things whether you like to or not, because that's what your business needs. And while a lot of people love that freedom, it's not for everybody. Some people need that structure and being told what to do next. Even if you have a coach or mentor, it is their job to guide you and point you in the right direction, but it is not their job to do everything for you. At some point, you need to take the reins of your own business and do things for yourself. Number two, information overload. Google and YouTube are amazing because you can look up literally anything in the world and get information on anything to do anything at any time you want to do it. In fact, I even learned how to take apart my dryer completely, fix it, and assembled it back together just by watching a YouTube video. And while having that information at your hands is great, sometimes having too much information can be a bad thing. First, you can get stuck in research mode to where you just want to learn and learn and learn. And at some point, you need to step back and actually take action and implement what you've learned. But second, and the more pressing issue, is sometimes you have what works for this person over here, and you have what works for this person over here, and they have conflicting strategies. That is one issue with having too much information. And the truth is, there's more than one road to success. Maybe this did work for this person, and maybe this did work for this person. But because you want to learn everything there is to learn, you're going to have conflicting strategies that don't necessarily work together. So you do need to learn. Taking training course definitely helps, but stick to one thing and one thing only. Make it work for you, and then branch out and learn other ways. Try different ways, but make sure you have that core pillar or something that is working for you first, and don't try to learn everything at once. Number three, startup costs. Now, in the intro, one of the things I said I like about affiliate marketing is the low startup costs. But just because it's low doesn't mean that it's non existent. Now, compared to any other business you want to start up, especially any physical building, this is going to be as cheap as it comes. But there are a couple tools that you will need to use in order to get started as an affiliate marketer. And if you want to know some affordable ones that are still really great, you can check out the link in the description below. But just get used to the idea that you need to invest in yourself and you need to invest in your business. If you're someone who only wants to hoard money, then that's something to consider before you get started, because there will be some type of investment needed to get started. Number four, it takes time. Some people want to get rich overnight, and that's just not realistic. And in fact, anything that's promising that to you is probably a scam. Affiliate marketing is a great way to financial freedom. However, you're not going to make $10,000 in your first week, so you should go into it not expecting that at all. Within 3 months, 6 months, a year from now, you could be making a lot of extra money. And in fact, within a couple months to a few years, you could even replace your income with your affiliate marketing money, which is the goal for everybody. But it's not going to happen your first day or your first week or your first month. And that's just something you need to know getting into it. Number five, perfectionism will kill your business. There is a ton of things to do. There's a ton of things to learn. There's a ton of things to do. And if you want to get all your ducks in a row before you start doing anything, you're never going to get anywhere. Learn what you need to get started, learn on your way, Fix your little things along the way. And this is your business. You're going to be doing this for years and years to come. You have time. You have time to learn things later. You have time to change the font on your logo later. You have time to change the background color on your cover photo on Facebook later. Just get started. Like I said in the last tip, it does take time. It takes time to build your audience. So start doing that and work on all these little things along the way. Having a business will never be 100% perfect and it will always be a work in progress. So just get it started and then work on these things along the way. It doesn't have to be perfect. Number 6, the time commitment. Cool thing about affiliate marketing is, especially compared to other businesses, it doesn't take as much time as some other things. And especially once you start building up a residual income, a passive income, you get more time freedom than ever before. But it does take time, and more importantly, you need to stay consistent. So a lot of people start affiliate marketing as a side hustle while they're still working their regular 9 to 5 job, which means you might have other things going on in your life that will get in the way of you being consistent. Clear your calendar. You just need like at least 30 minutes to an hour a day to work on this every single day so that you can go somewhere. Because if you're not consistent, your business will die, or at least it'll take you 10 times longer to get anywhere with it. And that's not what you want. You want this thing to happen. So just make sure you have some time slot, sometime during the day to work on this. Now, when I started, I was working 10 to 12 hours a day at my job. And then along the way, we had a baby. So between my work and the family at home, I was really crunched for time. But I stayed consistent and I had to make some sacrifices, whether that's less video games, less TV, or just less doing whatever you're goofing around doing, scrolling on your phone through Facebook. You don't need to be doing that. You need to be spending that time towards your business. That's what I did for several years. And now I have more time freedom than ever before, and it couldn't be better. So it will be worth it, but you do need to have a time slot to work on it every day. And number 7, what kind of payment do you want to get paid out as? Meaning, do you want high ticket affiliate sales or recurring commissions? A lot of people will start off with high ticket sales, and while that is awesome and you can get high commissions, it can be a lot harder to get started into because these are very pricey items and you don't have the skills or knowledge yet to make it happen. It'll get there, but not when you're starting off as a beginner. So these inconsistent sales can make it really hard for you when you're looking to quit your job because you don't know when the next commission is coming. However, if you build up a residual income through something that gives you monthly recurring commissions, then you know exactly how much you're making. These things stack up over time. So month to month, it's only more and more and more. And you know exactly how much you're making. So you know at exactly what point can you safely quit your job and still be financially secure. That's why high ticket sales might not be the best thing to start with, and it might be something that you want to add in later because they are great, they're amazing. I've gotten a few, and trust me, you get so excited when it happens. But that's something that can wait till later. Just lay your foundation of a passive income first, and you'll be a lot better off for it. So there you have it, the 7 things you might want to consider before starting an affiliate marketing business. It is a great, amazing business to get into, but it is even better when you know what to expect getting into it. And if you want to know more about how you can become a better affiliate marketer, check out this video where I give you some very helpful tips and tricks to get started. If you like this video or if you learned anything, please hit that like button because it helps me out so much. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.